How to edit PDF files on Android.
Hi guys, let's get started immediately.
Now this is the PDF file we want to edit. You might want to take note of the name.
The first file on my list is what I'm trying to edit. Now head over to any browser of your choice. I'll be using Chrome today, and then you want to type convert PDF to docs.
Now I like to change it to a Word document to make the process easier for me.
And then I'm going to be scrolling to find the converter that I like, and when I find it, I want to tap on it. Now go ahead to tap on upload files, then tap on media picker to select the documents that you would like. Now you want to tap on the three horizontal line at the top left hand corner of your screen, and then guys, you'll be scrolling over to where you see my files and you'll be tapping on my files. Now go over to documents and select the particular one that you want. In this case is the first one. After highlighting it, you want to click on done. Then you want to allow the converter do its job, and after it's done you want to click on the download on the document itself. Now I'll just simply show you that this actually converted by going to my files, and as you can see, we now have two documents in that name, one in PDF and one in docs.
And the next thing would be heading over to our Google Drive.
Now click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and you want to tap on upload. Now I'm simply just going to tap on the documents that I would like to convert to the Google Docs, and after uploading, this is me just scrolling through to search for our documents, and when I find it, I'm going to be tapping on it to open.
Now what I did next is to tap on the pen icon at the bottom of your screen, and then you want to go ahead and edit this file into what you would like. Now I'll be back when I'm done editing. Now after editing, this is what my document is looking like. Now the next thing is to tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to go to share and export, then click on save as, and as you can see, it's on Google Docs. You want to click on OK for this to save on Google Docs.
Now you want to head over to the document with the Google Docs format and click on the three dots by the side. Now you're going to be clicking on download and allow this download into your phone.
After downloading, you want to head back to your files, and you will notice that this document was downloaded in PDF,
and this is what the document is looking like after editing. Now I would like to show you the original of this document, and this right here is the original. You can spot the difference, and this is exactly how to edit PDF files on Android. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.